Himatsubushi consists with three parts. One is Himatsubushi Trail, which is the whole pathway of this area to the rooftop. The second one is the Himatsubushi Lab, dedicated for the research of the time itself. And the third part is the Himatsubushi Cafe and Lounge, where you can really relax and also make you activate.
The trail is a path where our visitors would be able to just move. In between they would meet art projects collected especially for this idea of what Himatsubushi can be.
The Himatsubushi is in Japanese in direct translation time killing, but we call it the art of time killing. We just set the Himatsubushi as a new framework of the time.